Hi guys, my name is Age. You are welcome to Ever Simply. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up with MongoDB and connect MongoDB Atlas to your various applications. So MongoDB, a database service company, just like we have MySQL, we have other database services out there. So it is very simple, straightforward, and the good thing is that MongoDB is very easy to use. You can connect it with other existing frameworks like Python, JavaScript. So the next thing is you need to sign up, put your details, your company name, you put your name and the various informations needed. Once you are done with putting the informations, you proceed toward create account. Be sent a verification email. Click on the email and then verify your account with MongoDB. Then it will take you back into the login page. Either you can sign in or click on continue. Once you are signed in, you'll be presented with options to choose between the package you want to go with. We have the serverless, we have advanced, and we have the shared package. That is a free package. Each of these packages come with their advantages and they have limitations. For the sake of demonstration, we'll go with the free package, which will give us the basic functionalities we need. So you can choose your own cloud service. We have AWS, we have Google Cloud, we have Azure, and then the different region where the servers are hosted. But for the sake of this video, we're not going to change anything. We leave it as it is there by default. Then we proceed towards creating our cluster. But if you care to know, you can check the memory capacity, which the free package comes with 512 megabytes of storage thereabout, and then you can read about every other detail. You proceed to create your cluster. Then let's wait for the cluster to be finished up. Once our cluster has been created, the next thing we need to do is we need to add a user or a group of users which we can assign roles to them. Roles just like maybe admin or just a team member. So you need a username, you create a password, and then you can set other variables like whether you use it on the local machine or local environment or you're using for cloud development. Now the user have been created, you can set other things like add an IP address from which you want to be using your Atlas, as the MongoDB Atlas from, and then you can set other variables. Once you are done with all the settings, you click on what finish and close, and then you proceed to the overview. Now once you are in your overview page, you can choose to add your database, or you can go under collection and then you load sample database. But for now we're going to create our own database. We call it our first DB. We are going with an instance that wants to get information about our subscribers, so we call it our first DB. Then we will create our database, and then the name of our collection or table in this case now would be what subscribers. So if we are able to do that, you see your database first DB and then your collection, which we name it subscribers, there on your screen. You should put this at the back of your mind that data in MongoDB is represented or stored in form of JSON, that is JavaScript format of representing information, where you have the field and the value. We want to compare it with Python. You have like a dictionary, you have the keyword, and you have the value. So you can put the the data into the collection you have here on your dashboard, or you can use an external script like Python or JavaScript or any other framework to add data or information into your collection. In this case, we are going to use PyMongo. PyMongo is a Python module. You can go to pypy.org to get your PyMongo, or you can install it from your command prompt. So in your command prompt or your terminal window, navigate to the root part where your Python is installed, or if you are using a virtual environment, inside your virtual environment directly, then you pip install PyMongo. If you don't have it installed, it will install the package, download it and install it. But for my own, I have it already installed on my system. So if I've gotten your PyMongo installed successfully, congratulations. As simple as ABCD, these are the basic steps you need to create your mongoDB and then install a module that can help you to interact with the mongoDB using Python. Now in the next videos I'm going to be dropping, I'm going to show you how you can interact with your mongoDB from a Python script. So don't go anywhere. I will be back just a minute.